Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Morning everyone. I'm gonna have to come in a bit closer because the sun is sunning this morning. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today we are starting off in the car because I've just picked mum up. Hi. And mum's ready for some festivities. Yes. I was vlogging with you yesterday, wasn't I, as well? Yeah, so we're just together all the time now because mum's missed me that much over 3 weeks and she's only had my dad for company. So yeah, mum wants to get in the festivities. So today we're going to a local florist because I mentioned this in another vlog, but every year they do like a little wreath bar in the florist. And it's really cute, isn't it? Yeah. They like do it all set up. I think they do like wreath making days as well and stuff, don't they? Yeah, yeah. They do a lot of things. But yeah, it's really cute in there. It's a really nice florist, and to be fair, I don't think it's that badly priced. No, see. You can pick what you want, because they have like pine cones and things that are like 30p. Obviously I know you can go and get these from the ground, can't you, if you know where you're going. This is the thing, like mum was just saying, like with wreaths, if you know good places to go or if you've got a good garden, you can just get it out of your garden, can't you? But if not, try your local florist. So yeah, we really enjoyed doing our wreath making last year. I feel like we are clued up on how to, well, to be fair, I think I forgot. I know how to do it. You know how to do it. So we're going to make a wreath. We are also going to start the door garland today and do that. Oh, yeah. Well, that's what you're here for. Yeah, we're getting in the festive spirit. I thought you were doing that with Mitchell. What, Mum? Does he want to do that? And will he be any good at that? Well, he won't be any good at it. So yeah, we've got 2 fun activities today to get you in the Christmas spirit. What else are we going to do? I want to go somewhere for a nice hot chocolate as well. Yeah. Any ideas? That's cute and festive. Okay. Anyway, let's go. It's cold. I don't even want to move from my car. It's not that cold. It is. I don't know how you don't feel the cold after you've just been in like 40-degree heat. Okay, so me and Mum are doing our own wreath. So this is the little station, it's so cute. So you can pick all these little things. So we've gone for some pine cones, some oranges, haven't we? And these are like, you need wire, we've got that from last year. Red berries, we've gone for red this year. Some cinnamon sticks because we didn't have that last year, did we? And then yeah, basically you just get your ring, moss, and then like your spruce. So we've got that one. Let me just show them that one. Yeah. And then she's getting some fluffy one. And you can, we had eucalyptus as well. I can use my eucalyptus tree in the garden, can't I? Okay guys, we, what was it, £47? Do not tell Mitchell that. £47 to make a wreath. It's not a cheap game, guys. I just said to Mum, we should have just gone to the local forest and picked everything. But it's a fun activity. We do it once a year. Forest or florist? Forest. Forest. Forest, like get all the, just cut the trees down. But anyway, it's a fun activity. We're looking forward to it. There's your Christmas pudding, Mum. We've got, Mum just said, I don't think we ever had this much last year, but we saw the owner in there, so maybe she was like, you need to make it good this year. She probably knew what you were on about though, Mum, more than, because I do think it will be a really good one this year. Hey guys, me and Mum have got a microwave meal for lunch. It was in the bargain basement. And we just wanted something quick so we can crack on with the rest of our day. So we've got this chicken, calorie controlled chicken and mushroom sauce. Only 269 calories. So yeah, we've got one of them each. It's healthy. Healthy? Ish. Yeah, it's healthy, isn't it? Just, I mean, it's a ready meal, but I guess not that bad, is it? So we're eating that. Got all our foliage. We're so excited. We're going to do hot chocolates. Going to make our wreath. Mum needs to assess the situation outside with the chicken wire and... Don't give me that look. I forgot you had that jumper. I thought you had my jumper on when you come in. Did you? Okay guys, we've had our little lunch, so we feel fueled now. I still need to sort out my little hot chocolate station. Obviously my hotel chocolate thing's gone bust, hasn't it? It's broke. Oh yeah. You need to send that back. It's weird, like it heats up but it doesn't spin. Where is it? It's outside. I'll have to show. Yeah, Mum's normally good at fixing things. We're gonna make hot chocolate. How I like to do my hot chocolate is I just like to get a bar of chocolate. Bar of chocolate, like the old-fashioned way, how you melt it in a pan. Bit of milk. We've got some cream as well, marshmallows. We're gonna put some music on. Would you like some Christmas music on to get you in the spirit? Right, let's unwrap this then and show everyone. We've got Boo here as well because she just likes to be involved in everything. Home Alone. Did you watch any Christmas films on the plane?
No, I weren't really anything new.
Was there not?
I watched the penguin one.
Oh, Mum, you keep going on about this blooming penguin. So, as we were saying, we seem to have loads this year. Someone's going to lay it all out. We've got the red berries. I did pick up, I think we only had like 1 or 2 stems of them, didn't we? We didn't have this last year, did we? I feel like there was one that we didn't have. I think it was this one. I don't feel like we had that one. And then we've got some of this as well. Where do you reckon she gets all this from? Do you think she just goes around the local forest?
She probably buys trees and cuts them up.
Oh.
Because it'd be cheaper.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
So what's this one called? Do we know?
That's a pine.
Pine?
Yeah.
So we've got a pine. Did you say this was a conifer?
Yeah, it's like a conifer.
Conifer.
I could have got that in my garden.
And then we've got some eucalyptus. I have actually got a eucalyptus tree in my garden now. But Mum said I wasn't allowed to cut it. Mum was just saying if you want to save yourself some money. Because by the way, guys, this wasn't a cheap activity. I don't know if I told you, but it was £47 for all of this. So we got all of this, the moss, all our little bits in there. And then we also got a ring. But you definitely could do it cheaper. We just like to go and support our local florist, don't we? But you could definitely do it cheaper if you were on a budget. Like me and Mum was saying, if you knew somewhere that you could get all these trimmings from, you could go and get the trimmings yourself, couldn't you?
All you need to do is cut some oranges up
and
just put them and dry them out.
You could go to a local forest for them as well.
Wood.
Where do you get? Yeah, but I've seen them on the floor before. You could just buy a pack of.
Some on our estate.
These are not that expensive either to buy a big pack of. So you could do it cheaper. You don't need to. But
the biggest expense is this.
Yeah.
And the berries probably.
Yeah, I think they were like a couple £1, were they? I don't know. She really, yeah. Anyway, let's put you on a time lapse. We're gonna need to TikTok it as well. Need to put our Christmas music on. Let's get the Christmas trees on. Or would you like a film or Christmas music? I'm not putting the penguin film on. It needs to be Christmassy.
I don't think you want penguin film.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Okay, me and Mum have made our hot chocolates. Mum, you've got a milk moustache, cream moustache. I've done a really fattening one with dairy milk. Well, it's not healthy. I wouldn't say cream marshmallow, but it's only a Galaxy one, so I think they're like 90 calories or something. Yeah, mine's about 400, but it's really delicious. What does Galaxy one actually taste like?
Nice.
Does it actually taste alright? I've never had it before. I normally have the Galaxy Frothy one and it's good. So yeah, anyway, got our hot chocolates on the ready and we're going to finally get on to wreath making now. This is so good, isn't it?
You need a spoon.
I do need a spoon to dig in. So yeah, anyway, let's get on to the wreath. So, first things first, we have to moss this, don't we? We also need to light the candle, so let's light the candle. Oh, what a festive day this is, I'm having so much fun. Right, so let's get cracking with this.
I'm just getting a bit more cream and marshmallows on one.
What? Who said you had to do that? Have you got a spoon for me? Mum wanted a more healthier hot chocolate, yet she's the one that's going back for seconds of blooming cream and marshmallows. That's not allowed. I even shaved a bit of chocolate on it with my, well, your grater.
Oh, my grater.
Your grater.
My little grater you now got me.
It's a good grater.
Yeah. Ben's found my little grater I got.
Where's my spoon? What little grater you've got?
You know the one you've got, the cheese grater, zest grater.
It's good, isn't it?
He thinks it's a cheese grater now, so he's using it for his Parmesan cheese. So, oh, this is a nice Parmesan cheese grater. Where did you get this? I said it's not. It's a zester.
Yeah, but I feel like you can use it.
Yeah, you can.
Right. You get the moss started. That's your job.
I could have got loads of this from the florist where I went.
What forestry? What, in Thailand?
No, in Bradgate. Bradgate there was loads.
Why didn't you get any?
No. I weren't here, was I?
Smells. Where do you get this from then?
It's off the ground, you just pull it off. That's all.
No, it could have animals in. So what does the moss do?
Keeps it moist.
Oh, you're supposed to. Oh, I've seen somewhere that you're supposed to spray your wreath. Like, to keep it.
Yeah, probably, because it's just dry flowers, isn't it? Dry.
Should have enough. Why shouldn't I?
You want to plant them? Well, we can go round again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Who needs to go to a wreath making thing and we can bring it to the house? Imagine how much this would have cost me if I wanted to do this for everyone.
Well,
I've had to charge you an entrance fee at the door.
you're filming still now?
Yeah. Well, you can speak. I'm not going to put you speaking in, but no, I'm going to put a voice over. No, not a voice over, just a...
Oh yeah, that's what I mean. People, you've got to pay for, everybody'd have to pay for themselves, wouldn't they? You couldn't do it free.
Well, no, what I was going to do is me and Georgia was on about going down the woods.
I tell you what, also another good activity, the steam train at Wreath, it's all lit up.
Is it?
Yeah.
So what can you do?
Well, you can go on the steam train.
Oh, thank you. Tell you what, I did see that was good, but Mitchell was like, we actually can't do that, we've not got children. And they've got a Polar Express train. And the people come on, do you ever watch the Polar Express film?
Yeah, no, I didn't. I've seen somebody walk.
You've not watched Polar Express film?
No.
Why?
It's animated. It's
It's brilliant. It's got Tom Hanks in.
Yeah, no, I've seen it. The girl next to me was watching it, and I put it on. I thought, oh, this is shit.
It's good. You don't like Polar Express? It's good. But in that, they do a Polar Express train thing, and they have all the people coming around dancing. Mitchell was like, there's not one adult there. So yeah, there is. Loads of adults. But yeah, they've all got kids.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
Okay guys, 10 hours later and we have about done it. I mean, Mum has done a lot of the work, to be fair, because it's really hard, don't you think?
Yeah.
I think it's quite hard. Like wiring it all together. It looks unreal. We're just going to put a few more red berries on because they keep falling off. They're a bit annoying. Like, look how much they've fallen off the branches on the floor. If anyone knows any red berry hacks, That's the thing, they look beautiful when you put them on and then they start coming off. Yeah, I think that's definitely better than last year, don't you?
Yeah, I think it's bigger.
It's bigger and fluffier. So that's going to go on the door. We'll do the grand reveal. Okay guys, here is mine and Mum's finished wreath. The only thing I feel a bit sad about, Mum, is the ribbon.
Well,
I need to get some wide ribbon. But I am rather impressed with this. We've even got lights on.
Not finished the bottom bit off.
What? Oh, yeah, I've not cut it. We'll do that. We'll do that. And then, door mat is a bit small. But it will do for now. And then we've got this Mr. Reindeer. And another little reindeer.
Batteries for it?
Yeah, let's go and get some batteries. Okay guys, we've cut the ribbon. Looks a little bit better now. I've kind of just like moved it around. I'm so happy with how this has turned out. I definitely think it's better than last year, but in all honesty we did get double the foliage I think from last year. But yeah, it's nice and full. Oh, it just looks so much better on the door. So yeah, chuffed with that. Like I say, my doormat isn't the biggest, but I might get some things for either side to put here. Or actually, the door thing's going to come up anyway, so that might come up to here. But it's just because the one underneath was wet, so it looks a bit meh. But yeah, chuffed with that. So tonight, chicken chorizo orzo. It's so easy to do. So we just got chicken chorizo, prawn I mean. So just king prawns, chorizo, orzo, mushrooms, onions, and then literally just stock. So yes please, just a chicken stock. And then what have you put in? Garlic, chilli.
It's a bit Cajun,
Cajun.
onion, salt.
Just all the herbs basically, and then a splash of cream. I do normally add parmesan in, but we haven't got any, so we're just going to put a little bit of cheese on top. I don't want a little bit. Health and wealth. That's ridiculous. That's like one sprinkle. Yeah, like that much. Why are you sprinkling it really slow?
Is that alright?
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put some mayo on it as well, because I love mayo with everything, and chicken. Okay guys, I'm just currently editing this Vlogmas and I don't know what happened. I don't actually know what happened on this evening because I feel like I've been on a really good roll with filming like endings, but I didn't film an ending. So yeah, second Vlogmas in a row now that I've not had an ending for when I've come to edit, which is a little bit annoying, but I have been doing endings in the last couple of days that I've been filming, so there will be an ending. But you know me, I don't like to end my video just on like a random clip. Like I wanted to come and end it properly. It's not the longest for Vlogmas today. It was just merely a cutesy day, me and Mum catching up, making Christmas, well, I was going to say wreaths. We made a wreath, being blooming expensive to make too, unless she's buying herself one. But yeah, I was chuffed with how it turned out this year. I feel like having that just extra little bit of foliage and stuff definitely made a massive difference. I feel like I want to do something different next year though, because I feel like we've gone for that the same kind of, I mean, I love the traditional theme, but I kind of want to mix it up and add something different next year. It definitely looks a nice, full, fluffy wreath, and yeah, just love how it's turned out. I just have like a few extra things to put outside for the door to be finished now. So I just want to I might get 2 plants from the garden centre, like ones that can stay at the front door all year round, but then just like put some lights on them, because there's obviously no point like buying just 2 Christmas trees that are only for like the season. But I noticed like one of the doors round near us has like just 2 plants, and then she's put some lights on, and it just looks so cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's Vlogmas. Tomorrow's, I think it's going to be my London trip with my cousin, and I've kind of filmed that over 2 days, so it'll be like, it won't just be like one day, it'll be like one day and then the next morning. I'm just going to put it all together because it wasn't like super long. But yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.